Come on, help me. Oh, look, that one's got black in it.
God damn it, Cody. Dad.
I'm helping her.
No, you're not.
Hey, I don't have no more.
I hope you sit something out that size too.
Say, yeah, I don't have nothing else to help you push with. Oh my God. You stink, Sandy.
What are you taking me for?
Fuck, the goddamn camera
Get out of the way,
is
get out of
full.
the way, get out of the way. Mine ain't. Shut up.
God.
Come over here and smell this. There it is. There it is.
Oh, Lanson.
Shut the hell up. I'm videoing.
There it is. Wow, look at the size of that afterbirth. Lisa, get in there and get
Shut
that.
up.
Lick it. Help her lick it up.
Look at the size of that son of a bitch.
That's gonna be a fat ass. Are you sure that one ain't Cosman's?
That one's mine.